Hello to all my students. Three things on the basis of which you will identify that this cough is a Antim Tart cough. The first symptom, rattling cough. There is so much of rattle, you will listen to that khad khad sound of the cough. That typical sound where there is lot of mucus which is filled up in the chest but he cannot expectorate. So that rattling sound is very peculiar in Antim Tart. Second point, the cough is mostly associated with nausea and vomiting. So you will get this very peculiar symptom of nausea and vomiting in Antim Tart cough. And the third most peculiar symptom of Antim Tart is coating of tongue, white coating of tongue. So these are the three symptoms on the basis of which you will decide this is a Antim Tart cough.